First, we will install the Zotero application for our Windows PC. Type Zotero in the address bar, then go through the first link below. I added the link in the description. Now you can download the Zotero application by clicking the download button. Also, you can install the Zotero extension. It is a straightforward way to your future work. Now you can easily install Zotero software by clicking the Zotero setup file. It has a very typical way to install it, not difficult. This message comes because I installed it earlier. Now we will see how we add the research papers to Zotero. This is the main interface of the Zotero. Here are the buttons for operating our research papers. Click on the green color plus mark. Then you can choose any document to add this. Here we are going to add research papers. For that you have to click on the conference paper. Then you have to manually add all of these things to add research paper. Don't worry, Zotero provided an easy way. Click on this mark. In here you can add these types of numbers and add your research papers. Now I will show you how to find the DOI code from a research paper. When you open your research paper, you can see there is a DOI code like this. Copy it, paste it on this place and click the enter button. Then you can see all of the data will be added. Okay, now we see how to use Zotero in your Word document. If you install this software correctly, you can see the Zotero button in the ribbon bar. Okay, I will add a sample paragraph. I want to add a reference at the end of this paragraph. Point the cursor there. Here you can choose any citation style. Click on Classic View. Then you can choose your research paper and click OK. After adding reference, click at Add Bibliography buttons. That's all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel